Alright, we're discussing the crypto markets today here on Cricket TV. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, turn those post notifications on. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna go in, pull up XRP. Everybody talking about XRP, the lawsuit going on. So I'm gonna pull this back a little bit. And had that run up to about $1.58, somewhere in there. Early in the year 21, April 21, and then we got that lawsuit news, and we are doing the same triangle trending down. XRP gonna be a little later to run. Thought we might get a breakout toward the beginning of next year, maybe they can wrap up that lawsuit. I think we're gonna have some sideways movement for a couple of months here until we get back closer to the end of this triangle. Seems to be following this fairly well right now. So keep an eye over there on XRP. Bring up EOS. We like to look at EOS. Now EOS, if we're using this triangle right here, we should be seeing something happen soon. EOS looks to a point where it's about to break out. But we never know, It's a crypto market, anything can happen. These lines could probably possibly not be exactly right. I'm no expert at anything like this. But keep an eye over there on EOS, see what's going to go on. Break out of this little corner here. We might have to redraw this little line here a little bit. Keep on checking on EOS. Go over and look at XTZ. Still got that same type of pattern there. Looking a little later in October, maybe on XTZ, possible breakout into September or October, according to this triangle downward trend pattern that we got drawn here. Of course, we're still thinking we're gonna have that sideways movement here for a little bit, a little up and down, a couple months, probably 3, 4, 5 months, maybe something like that. So $1.90 right now on XTC. Look at one of my favorites, Dash, right there. And we hadn't really updated this triangle. We can move it on up here, and we can go on down with this. Okay, hitting some kind of resistance right there. I think we could see Dash possibly next month, toward the end of next month or early July. Possibly see Dash come out of this triangle here. Possibly get a run up. Still think we're gonna go sideways another month maybe here on Dash, and then we'll know a little more information on that. Currently sitting at $60. Great buying spot right there on Dash, according to this triangle here. Excellent opportunity to buy in, but we want to wait, see what happens right in this area in about a month. But I mean, if you correct down below here, you're probably going down probably gonna be looking about between $35 and $45 if we can crack down here. But I think Dash is about made it to about as low as it's gonna get. So keep an eye right over there on Dash. See who else we can look at. ETH, Ethereum. Got this drawn up here. We had this run back here, and I think we're doing something similar right now. If you notice this downward triangle, and we broke out. Coming back now, we got this downward triangle. So you're seeing this Had that slow breakout. Can do the same here. Come on down and hit back off of this. It's gonna be carried out a little longer. Gonna break out of this probably. Could be looking. Probably could be looking at like November maybe. Probably around the same time Bitcoin. Could do that next run up, you know. But then we gotta let this triangle play out before we make any moves on ETH right there. See what else we got here. We'll pull up OMG. I ain't looked at it in a while. That triangle getting really tight right there on OMG. Probably adjust this a little bit. Probably not drawn exactly right, but you basically see what's happening. So do we break out of this on the other side of this triangle and then head up? Looking like it's a possibility, but if that's the case, it looks like OMG ain't gonna have to go too long sideways. It's been going sideways for a good 15 to 20 days coming up on, so definitely want to keep an eye right over there on OMG. See if this might be the point. We'll see if we go down more. We're gonna have to do a redraw on that line, but I think we're pretty content on that line being about right there. So $2.58, $1.57 on the day. So Link over here, I think we're getting to that point where Link's gonna start going sideways also. Sitting at $7 right now. I'm seeing Link probably go at least 3 months sideways movement, kind of up and down a little bit inside this little last bit of this triangle. Or we get breakout here. If we break out up on this side, I'm thinking that move up, it's gonna be nice. Probably have a move up, say probably to about $33 on the break back. And then we might hit an all-time high. Keep an eye over there on Link. I'll go over here and look at 1 inch. Kind of see where this line's going. To move it around a little bit, but you'll get the hang of it right here in this triangle. Got the downward triangle, so we're looking for that breakout, and looking like it's gonna come about toward the end of July maybe. Still think we're gonna do that sideways movement, break out of here and head to the north. 1 inch. A lot of people don't talk about this coin. I kind of like it. It's not a big, gigantic supply. It's low cost, under $1 right now. Still think you need to wait, see which way this is going up. If it breaks out and goes up this way, it'd be a good buying opportunity. I don't see it getting much under this. I don't see a breakdown coming from this downward triangle here that we've had since May 2021. It's been in a downtrend. So over a year we've been in a downtrend. About a year and just going, yeah. It's almost a year right now, so just I think we're gonna hit sideways on this, break out around end of July, possibly beginning of August, and have a run up. So we're sitting at 96 cents there, % gain on the day. We'll talk about Litecoin for a minute. Talked about Litecoin a little bit last month. We had that line drawn a little wrong. We've redrawn it here. Downward triangle. Similar to this one. Not quite as wide on the top end. But we've been following this in here since the end of November 2021. So it's been following real nice inside this downward trending triangle. We've been going sideways for a good 15 days now, so I think we're gonna continue on probably another 10 to 15 more days sideways and break out possibly toward the middle of June, toward the end maybe. And I think we're gonna break up because we ain't got much more that we can go down. If we're gonna go down again, we're getting real close to being in bad territory there. But just LTC definitely need to keep an eye on right there. $69.23 up on the day, 0.41%. So Litecoin got a little bit of ways to go to see which way we're gonna break up or down on Litecoin. I'm gonna go over the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Of course, BTC gonna be a number 1, Ether number 2, Tether number 3, USD coin number 4, BNB number 5, XRP number 6, number 7, Binance USD, number 8, Cardano, number 9, Solana, and number 10, Dogecoin. So market kind of doing a little correction today. Nothing really big concerning going on right there. We're still following in that same little trajectory inside that triangle. So nothing to be alarmed about. That thing's coming to an end pretty soon, it looks like, though. But we'll look at the 24-hour gainers. You got Bitcoin Gold, BTG, $23.95. 24 hour, it's up 20%. See the chart right there. You got Loopring at second gainer in the 24 hour at 56 cents, up 11%. And on the 7-day, it's up 17%. Third gainer of the day, Stacks, STX, 59 cents. It's going to be up 6%. You got AVE coming in at number 4, gainer of the day, and $99.64 on a 6.26% gain. You got coming in at 5, Ethereum Classic, 2211, 5% gain. Now Ethereum Classic, it had that good size run up back in back May of last year. We cashed in a little bit on that. We currently don't have any more ETC. Number 6, we got Terra USD. Number 7, Uniswap, $5.65. You got 3% gain on that. Phantom coming in number 8 gainer, 43 cents at a 3.30% gain. KSM, $81.93 at a 2.45% gain. And Neo, $11.22 at almost a 2% gain. So there are some cryptos still running real good here. Bitcoin Gold had a great run today, 24%. So not the whole market down. But you do got Bitcoin down 3%. You do got Ethereum down almost 3%. XRP down 3%. They still got their lawsuit going on. So little bit of update on the crypto market there. We got the dominance. BTC is 44%, Ether at 19.1. 24-hour volume, 83 billion. Total market cap of the crypto market, 1.2 trillion. So market is not going anywhere. Have this bigger market. So when everybody said everything going to zero, it's not going to zero. I'm gonna go over this little article right here. Christine Lagarde says crypto is worth nothing. So this is what they want y'all to believe, because it's all part of the it's part of all this is going on. All this stuff that's going on, it's been set up for many years, and they don't want nobody to be a gainer in it. For the first time in many centuries, we have a chance to become wealthy, and we don't need to sleep on it. But they're saying Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies are worth nothing. This is what Christine Lagarde says. She is the European Central Bank president. So she says she thinks crypto should be regulated to protect inexperienced investors. Her comments come at a time of heightened regulatory scrutiny of the crypto market. I wouldn't be surprised if she's loaded up a bag herself, honestly. But European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde thinks cryptocurrencies aren't worth a dime. My very humble assessment is that it is worth nothing. Lagarde said of crypto in an interview with Dutch talk show College Tour that aired Sunday. There's no underlying asset to act as an anchor of safety. So this basically goes into down crypto, and I'm not going to get into it and spread that FUD on my channel. So just wanted to cover that story. These are the type of stories that you're going to see come up right before the market takes off. This is the kind of news that you're going to see people saying these stories. So I say pay no attention to it. Of course, it's not financial advice, just like none of my videos are financial advice. So y'all do y'all's own research, but I'm not falling for this. I've seen it many times, even in the past, even in 2017 when the everybody was saying crypto's a scam, everybody get out. A couple weeks later, the thing took off to the moon, so I'm willing to take that risk. So I'll cover this story right here. It says GameStop launches digital wallet for crypto NFTs. Video game retailer looks to turn around core business while tapping into buzzy area. So we're going to play this video real quick. Probably skip around.
Remember Pokemon cards? You could collect them and use them in battles with other players. Now there's this game called Axie Infinity that's built off that same concept. But this time, these game characters are NFTs, and you can make real money from owning them. Axie Infinity is an example of a play-to-earn game, a new model in online video games that allows players to generate an income from earning cryptocurrencies or NFTs.
No more will the game studios be able to capture 100% of the revenue.
So how do play-to-earn games work? And what can this model teach us about the metaverse? Play-to-earn is just 1% of the global video game industry, but it has garnered an enthusiastic community that believes in the future of NFT video games and its potential to shape the metaverse.
Gaming's pushed a lot of industries forward in its time. I think it's going to be the forefront of NFTs. I think it's going to be the forefront of the metaverse.
The concept of buying virtual goods in video games isn't new, but play-to-earn games turn these goods into NFTs, which allows players to sell them for a profit. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are essentially digital deeds that verify that an item is authentic and unique. Axie Infinity is one of the more popular play-to-earn games. It hit its peak in 2021, going from about 38,000 daily active players in April to 2.5 million in December, according to the company. So how do players make money in this game? One way to earn cryptocurrency is by winning battles.
First one to defeat the other opponent first wins.
Another way is by selling your game characters to other players on an NFT marketplace. Brent Vitt, who goes by his gamer handle Cairo, says he started playing Axie Infinity because of the potential to make money.
In prior video games that I played, it's the top 0.01% that is getting the money from the game. They're playing and winning in all the tournaments, and in this, it's anybody and everybody can come and earn a couple bucks.
He says last summer, when the value of the game's cryptocurrency was at its peak, he was making about $1,500 a month from Axie Infinity, about the same as the monthly income from his day job in Kansas.
But this is just like the screen that shows me transferring the in-game currency into ETH, which is...
Meanwhile, Axie Infinity makes its money mainly through fees. For example, it charges a 4.25% fee for every trade made on the marketplace. So what can Play to Earn teach us about running an economy in the metaverse, a virtual realm where people can work, play, and shop? First, it shows how owning digital assets as NFTs allows people to buy and sell on a marketplace, much like they would on the stock market. Vitt says he once flipped an Axie game character on the marketplace for over $4,500.
Understanding whenever things are like over and undervalued is like a very, very valuable asset to have in this space.
Axie Infinity says over $4 billion worth of Axies have been traded on the marketplace to date. Sarah Needleman, a tech reporter for the Wall Street Journal, says players may choose to hold onto their Axies for the long term. But as with all things crypto, it's still too early to tell how valuable or goods on marketplaces on two different blockchains that are connected by a bridge.
I think...
I'm not going to go all the way into that video. Seen a good bit of it there about NFTs. What GameStop is trying to... It look like they already have launched the digital wallet for the crypto NFTs. So, interesting to see what'll go on with the NFTs, which GameStop is doing now. So, something to keep an eye on there. So that was a little wrap up of the crypto markets going on right now. Make sure y'all are liking, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, turn the post notifications on. Y'all kind of not doing it right there for me, but y'all got to get it together. So watch this other video over here. Make sure y'all comment, like on that one. We got into it. Y'all have a good one.